FNV House by Archiplanstudio in Bagno, Ripoli, Italy. The project aims to enhance a historic farmhouse characterized by volumes and elementary geometries located in a spacious garden, overlooking the city of Florence. The simple and spiritual character of the building is emphasized by the use of sensual and abstract materials. The furnishing elements provide solutions attentive to the characteristics of the individual spaces, and respectful of the idea of living coherent with the place. Architects, Archiplanstudio. Area: 300 square meters. Year: 2023. Photographs, Nicolò Panzeri. Lead architects, Diego Cisi. Design team, Oreste Sanese, Francesca Brescia, Alfonsina Benetti, Jacopo Rettondini. Program/use/building function, residence. City, Bagno, Ripoli. Country, Italy.